Oh yeah, super exciting stuff. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in that video, and today we're gonna unbox the MacBook Air M1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you get notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. I'll link this down below as well if you want to get one yourself. Hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead, without further ado, unbox the MacBook Air M1. Here we go. Today what we got is the MacBook Air. Like I said, we're just able to get the base model. This is the second base model with the 8-core GPU. This comes with the 8 gig RAM and the 512 gigs of SSD. All this time I've been using the iPad Pro 2018 for all my YouTube needs, for editing and also even taking videos at times. And I find that I only have the 64 gigs and it's just hard. I have to always upload and download my footage and then upload it to YouTube, edit it and stuff like that, and then delete it after, delete the app after, offload it, and pretty much just restart anew. And this way we have more SSDs or more memory on this, so we'll be able to go and do more stuff with it. Now let me tell you a story of my life. Normally I wouldn't buy a MacBook Air because I've always been a PC guy. I always edited and built my own PC, a desktop, and I wouldn't even go and buy a laptop, Windows as well. I think laptops have always been a waste of money, and they always only last for about a couple of years, and then they get bogged down, and then you have to get a new one after that, and it's just a waste of money. But then when I saw the MacBook Air and the potential of how fast it is and the reviews online, and even I've seen the bad reviews and the good reviews as well, I weighed out the difference, and I think the MacBook Air, especially I've been using the iPad Pro all this time, it would be actually really good and it would last a long time. Now the power of the M1 is so beautiful and it's so fast that I think with my basic editing for my YouTube channel, mainly used for this is gonna be my main rig now. This is gonna be cool, and I think it's gonna do way better than my iPad Pro for now, until the next iPad Pro, until Apple puts the M1 or equivalent chip to the iPad Pros. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Yeah, super excited for this. Finally, don't have to keep deleting my stuff. All I need to do is just edit and leave it there for you guys. It's pretty good. Let's put that on the side. Oh yeah, love this. There you go. There you go. Tell you about it, I've never had a MacBook Air before, so this is really awesome, like super slim, very different from what I'm used to. So what comes in the box here is a USB-C cable. There you go. It's good for now. Let's look at some literatures inside. Let's see what kind of stuff we get. There you go. Couple of Apple stickers, pretty good. And then the charger. This block's actually pretty small from what I'm used to. My last MacBook is a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2010. Pretty bulky, and the Magsafe before was huge, right? Now this is pretty good, pretty small guy right here. They gave us a 30-watt USB-C. That's pretty good. Got back right there. And I think that's it for the box. Let's put those on the side. Yeah, I just picked this up today at the Apple store, and man, that place is like crazy. You can't go into the stores anymore. You can't go into the store, they just wait for you outside, and you just tell your order number and stuff like that, and that's it. Now for the main event. And there you go. Let's open it up. You guys want to see it first, huh? Here, I'll let you guys see it first. There you go. As you notice there, as we opened it, it starts up right away. It's really fast actually. There you go. Right now we're just gonna go through the settings here. The startup, let's go ahead with English. There you go, auto detects that I'm in Canada. Continue. Let's just go on not now. We're gonna go and put this on our Wi-Fi right here. Very different feel on the keyboard, definitely very nice. You have that click on there, so that's pretty good. Let's just hit continue on that one. Let's just go with not now. And then let's punch in our Apple ID here. Oh yes, I'm not used to this. This is a different one. Back to the Touch ID. I've been used to the Face ID for quite some time now. Now I'm back to the Touch ID. Oh, come on, dark mode. Dark mode all the time. Alright, as you can see, this is already on Big Sur. There you go. It's gonna be so weird because I haven't had a Mac for so long. I haven't been using Macs for so long, but okay, now we're gonna do a bench test. We're gonna try the Blackmagic speed test first for the hard drive. Let's test that out. It's pretty cool, as you could see there, 2627 for the write and about 2654 for the read. It's pretty good. As you could see, it's doing everything as well, up to 4K 60p. That's pretty good. That's right, that's right. It has for the ProRes right there, Cinema DNG RAW and the 10-bit YUV. It's all good for that. As you can see here as well, the NTSC PAL right there, read and write right there. It's quite awesome. The next part that we could do is the Cinebatch Test. I'll test it out right here. We're gonna start the multi-core right now. Here we go. It's a bunch of rankings on the side as well, as you can see here. That's pretty cool to see where it's all at. See here with the i7s, it's at 3007, 3769, 3891 right there, 4901. It's pretty good. I'm actually wondering what Apple would have. I did see it online, but I want to do it myself. As you can see, they're still running. We're going to the 7th there. It's pretty good. Notice here as well, There's no hotness or anything like that. That's pretty good. Quite cool as well. Nothing happening yet. Nothing too crazy or anything like that. Here you go. Our multi-core right here, as you could see, it is faster than the Intel Xeon CPU X5650. It's really good with 2.66 gigahertz, as you can see there. This is also the 12 core 24 threads, and it was able to beat it. That's pretty good. Yeah, Apple has the 8 core and 8 core processor with a 3.2 gigahertz, and still it's able to beat the 12 core. Our battery is at 55%. Sorry everyone, my camera pretty much died. So here we have the 10 more seconds there. There you go. I'll get the points here in a bit. As you could see, they're already number 2 for the 8 core right there. It's pretty good. Again, it's not cold or it's not hot or anything like that. I have it on my lap. The bottom part of this is still pretty cool. One of the things that I wish they upgraded is the bezels. As you can see up here, it's just a thick bezel right there. And the camera as well is alright. They made it, there's a computation or anything like that, but they didn't really upgrade the actual camera itself. So that's no good. Aside from that, it's a really good device actually. I really like it. Sleek design. I always like the look of the MacBook Air, but I would never buy, like I said before, I would never buy a MacBook Air because of the performance, but because this is the new Apple M1. I'll be able to edit and use this for everyday YouTube needs. So it's pretty good. As you can see, this single core score is 1489, which beats most of the competition. It went second right there, beating the i7s and the i9 even right there, and the Ryzen Threadripper. It's pretty good. Well, that's it for today, guys. My first impression of this is quite amazed. I'm a bit overwhelmed right now, so I'm just gonna do more tests with this, with the final cut. Stay tuned for more videos to come, so make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the like button as well so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. I'm gonna test a few things here. Like I said, I'm gonna edit more, downloading a bunch of apps as well right now that I will use on the YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more insight. And I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Thanks for watching. And wear your mask out there and social distance.